you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have August California Found. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my August California Found just arrived, and I'm dying to see what is inside this month. I did see a spoiler, and I did post it on my Instagram of the jewelry product that's in here, and it looked so pretty, so I can't wait to see what it looks like. If you don't know about California Found, it is $49 a month plus shipping, and you get amazing products from artisans and small businesses only in California. And if you don't know, I am a California girl currently living in a Florida world. So I really love this box because it kind of brings a piece of my home to me here in my new home. So I really enjoy this box. You get amazing things inside. You get candles, body products, some paper products, like a food type item. I've gotten rubs and some scrubs. I've gotten some body scrubs, I believe. I've got like hot sauces and just some really neat and unique things that I never would have known about without this box. I even got a plant in here before. Yes, I've gotten a succulent in here. So let's go ahead and get in here. They do have this in a mailer bag, and I do remove that. So let's go ahead and get inside. And it says, "Hello, sunshine." They give you your cards right on top, and each one goes over the individual items that are inside the box. There's that. And there's the inside. If you guys want to check them out, I will have their link down below, and you can use my code for 20% off. My code is SheCraftyGet20. So SheCraftyGet20 will get you 20% off. Let's go ahead and get in here. Let's get this off. So welcome to California Found August 2019 collection. We're excited to bring you this month's collection of unique and lovely California artisan-made products. And one box contains our golden ticket, which entitles a recipient to one free box to keep for themselves or to give to a lucky bestie. So look carefully. Good luck, sunshines. Every month we set aside 10% of our profits to help organizations doing incredible work in our community. This month we're keeping the summer vibes going and continuing our support of California-owned Surf Rider Foundation in their work to protect and preserve our oceans, beaches, and waves. That's awesome. So there, again, they'll go over all of the different products on each card. So let's go ahead and get the first item, which I've already talked about the jewelry. I already see it right on top. So let's go ahead and get that out. There is the logo of that. And it says Lulu Lilybird. This featured product is a sterling circle necklace. It's valued at $48, so $1 shy of this entire box. And you can use code CAFOUND for 20% off your purchase of $50 or more at www.lululilybird.com. Now, let's see here. That is so pretty. That looks very nice and dainty. I like how it just has that little circle, and then you have that little stone underneath. Let's see what it looks like on. Hopefully this one fits me. Hopefully. Yay! I already know it is going to. Ah. If I can get it in my hole. Hello. Okay. I have my necklace on as well, so that is really pretty. It's very dainty. I like that. That looks so nice. And that is, again, valued at $48. And there is the card, and there is that. That must be the gorgeous lady who makes the jewelry. Handmade sterling silver and rose gold filled jewelry. So I guess she makes it in rose gold and in stainless steel. Sterling silver. I got sterling silver. Okay, so let's go ahead, and I'm just gonna go with the next item that I'm seeing on my card, and it looks like it would be, yes, this product right here. And they always wrap everything so good. I've never received anything broken or anything like that. This says hydrating hand and body cream. Ooh, you guys know I love me some body cream. This you can use the code CA/found/10 for 10% off your purchase, expiring on 10/31 of 19 at the shop lenus.com. This right here is a 4 ounce valued at $22. So let's see, Shea Mango Bergamot. Break the seal. Ooh, that does smell good. Let's see. So it's just like a standard, there's the body cream for hand and body. It smells really good. That smells really good. And it feels really nice. Smells good, feels good. Check, check. Thank you. So there's that. Again, that is valued at $22. Then let's see, the next one is, ooh, looks like we have a candle. I love candles, you guys. So this guy must be this candle. And this one says, use California Found for 20% off at the 100th acre.com. This is valued at $25. Featured product is a 10 ounce night blooming jasmine candle. Ooh, again, $25. So it comes in this little bag. That's their logo. Here's the actual candle. Bottom. Ooh, that smells really good. It smells nice and clean. Ooh, I like that. I like that. It smells very nice and clean. And it says Midnight Jasmine. To read about this fragrance, visit the100thacre.com. On here, this says 7 ounce all natural soy wax candle, hand poured in Laguna Beach, California. Burn time is approximately 35 hours. Please recycle or reuse this container. But this says 7 ounce, but on the card it says a 10 ounce. So this must be a misprint because this says 7 ounce on here. Either way, it smells amazing, and this is going to be 35 hours of burn time, which that's a long time for the size of a candle. So I can't wait to burn that. And you guys know I love candles. I don't care the size, and it smells amazing. So there's that. And then the last item in here is we got rubs again. Yay! Now this time I'm going to know. Are they going to do it? Let me see. Let me see. They're only squigglies. Let's see. Yes. Okay. So the last time when I got these, I didn't realize it took me a few minutes to find out that these are all magnetic. And then one of my I think a few actually of you guys did tell me that these also can just go up on your refrigerator too. So, or if you want to put them on the side of like your hood of, what's that called? The hood, the range over your stove if you wanted to. I put all of mine in my drawer, but they are magnetic. This set right here is $35. You can use the code CAFOUND40 for 40% off your purchase. Expires 12/31 of 19 at GUSTUSVITAE.com. And that is the name of it right there. He's chomping down on some of that. So let's see what we have here. We have the Ultimate Gourmet Barbecue Seasoning. Ooh, that sounds amazing. And you do open the bag, and then it gives you, there's a thing right here where you can just turn the side, and you shake in the container. You don't have to actually remove the lid, and then you turn it again and it's back sealed. So we have a gourmet barbecue, which that sounds amazing. I love me some barbecue. Then we have is turkey burger seasoning. That sounds amazing because we do actually use a lot of turkey meat, and we do make turkey burgers quite often. So that's amazing. But this says give authentic flavor to burgers, fries, vegetables, eggs, corn, green beans, broccoli. This one shows corn, meat. That looks like popcorn. I don't know why you would want barbecue seasoning on popcorn, but hey, to each is your own. That looks like some chicken leg, fish, fries, lobster, and burgers. So you can pretty much, there's multiple things you can use these for. And then here's the one, the turkey seasoning can also go on other things, not just turkey meat. Then this last one is a veggie burger seasoning. Ooh, that sounds good. So this can go for shish kebabs, meat, tacos. It looks like a tomato, so maybe vegetables and burgers. So there's that. And I really do like these. The other seasonings that we have got are so good. So I'm so glad that now we got more, because these are all different flavors, different seasonings. One we had a rub, then we had like one for like dessert on the last one. They were really good. So this is everything that came in the box. We got the set of 3 of the barbecue seasoning rubs, which are multi-usage that you can put it on different things. We have this amazing clean jasmine smelling candle, which I can't wait to use. We have this body cream, which feels amazing. My hands still feel so soft and they still smell really good. And then we have this really beautiful necklace. I love that. And again, this was $48 all on its own. So the total retail value for this month's box will be right here. So go ahead and comment down below. Did you like this month's box? Did you have a favorite item in this month's box? Do you receive this box? Comment down below. Let me know all the details. Your positive interaction means the world. And yeah, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see the different videos that I load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.